In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import from Excel to Yahoo contacts in a few easy steps. This process is straightforward, and in just 5 minutes you'll have your contacts neatly organized in Yahoo contacts. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to prepare your Excel file that contains all your contacts. If you haven't already, open up your Excel document. It's crucial that you ensure all your contact columns are correctly labeled. Typical labels include first name, last name, email address, phone number, and any other relevant information you might need. Clearly labeled columns will help ensure a smooth transition of data. Once you've confirmed that everything looks good in your Excel file, save the document in CSV format. To do this, look towards the upper left corner of your screen and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Save As. This will prompt a new menu where you can choose the file type. Here you need to select CSV, delimited, from the list of file types and save your file. Saving in this format is essential because CSV files are universally accepted by most online platforms, including Yahoo Contacts. Now that your CSV file is ready, open your web browser, navigate to Yahoo Mail and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to access the Contacts section. Look for the Contacts icon. It often resembles a little address book or can be found under the Mail menu. Click on it. In the Contacts section, find the More Options menu. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon located near the top. Click on it to open the Settings options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Import. Within the Import section, you'll see an option to import from a CSV file. This is exactly what we need for our next step, so go ahead and choose it. Then click on Choose File to browse through your files and locate the CSV file you prepared earlier. After you've selected your CSV file, the final step is to simply click Import. Yahoo will automatically process your file and adjust your contacts. It may take a moment, but soon you'll see all your contacts seamlessly integrated into your Yahoo account. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your contacts from Excel to Yahoo Contacts. This method not only helps in keeping your data consistent, but also facilitates easy access and management of your contacts within Yahoo's interface. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in organizing your digital address book.